Today we're gonna play Among Us on my own playground. Here are the characters. The first who you think will be the imposter. The game starts now. Time to do my tasks. Guess what, pumpkin? It's time to say. Did anybody hear that? Nope. Emergency meeting. Beep. So, who's the imposter? I say it's corn. What did I do? I have beef with you. Well, I also say corn for no reason. We all say corn. Dang. Oh wait, I get to my task. Okay, my tasks are electrical. Boom. What the? I don't even need a knife. That hurts. Oh well, that fine. Oh well. And I got the lights back on. Oh my god! Tomato just died. Well, who did it? Robot. Wait, what? Robot was not the imposter. Okay, if we guess it wrong, it has to be melon. They say Nara. Cactus. So, do you think Melon's the imposter? Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. I know so. Well, let's pull him out. You're gonna give me out. I gotta do the unthinkable. Time to beep, beep, beep. Oh no! Beep, beep, beep. Let's go fix it. Beep, 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 beep. It's almost there. Oh no, beep, beep. I'm gonna stop you with what? Time to say goodbye. The imposter wins.